If you want to use your iPhone 17 front camera to scan a QR code, I'll show you how. For example, here you can see I have a QR code. Open the camera app and switch to selfie. So I just place my QR code here and just keep your iPhone like this and press the volume up button. Okay. Now open photos. So here you can see it's captured. You can also use the timer if you wish. Here you can see you can use the timer like 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Now open the bank app. I just open this app and click the QR code option. Hello. And click upload QR code. Allow full access and just select the captured photo. Now you can see it's fetched the details. Clemens my account. So now just enter the amount and send. That's it. So this is how you need to use your front camera to scan a QR code on your iPhone 17. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17, you need to watch this playlist.